Hiring. I'm noticing a trend in the firearms community, especially pasintabi na lang sa term, especially among gun owners, na they assume na since ang mga binili nilang baril ay accurized, na tatama sila in case na kailanganin nila yung mga gamit nila. And there's always this tendency for people to buy the best gear, buy the best equipment, the best ammunition. The ugly truth being, you need to train with your guns before you can even be remotely proficient. Now, what do I mean by this? In the late 1980s, when I first picked up a gun, pangarap ko lang noon masubukan ng shooting. So, most of my exposure was in indoor ranges na single bay. You just stand there and you print on paper. Printing kasi wala ka namang ibang ginagawa. You're just aligning your sights, you're fixing your grip. That's it. Then I began to discover practical shooting. So sabi ko, sana balang araw masubukan ko rin. And roughly mga more than 20 years ago, I was able to experience practical shooting. Lalong-lalo na yung tinatawag na IPSC format or IPSC, and also yung defensive pistol format. So for me, it was a dream come true, and I was happy kasi sabi ko, if I was thinking of shooting from a defensive perspective, then that would be it. Sabi nga nila yung target mo gumagalaw, or whoever the aggressor is, for sure, gumagalaw siya. Moving target siya. But although practical shooting, sabi nga natin, hindi gumagalaw yung targets. But the most important thing is, you yourself are moving. Hindi ka nakapirme lang sa isang lugar trying to print the best group on paper. Hindi ganon. So then again, the gun owners will say, nagpa-practice naman ako. Pumupunta naman ako sa ring. And unfortunately, that's how they practice. Naka-steady lang. Nagpiprint lang sila sa papel. And at the end of the day, sabihin nila, nakaubos ako ng 500 rounds. Sabihin na natin, nakaubos sila ng 1,000 rounds. But what's the takeaway from that? Wala rin naman eh. Because like we said, if you get into a real encounter, for sure, gumagalaw yung kalaban. And you have to keep up with it. So what now is the difference between merely practicing versus training? I would simplify it by saying practice is going to the range, shooting na wala kang focus, basta putok ka lang ng putok, hinahanap mo lang yung magagandang bullseye. It's like saying meron kang bisikleta, ikot ka lang ng ikot ng village. You're getting the mileage, yes, but you're not learning anything from it. Hindi ka na-expose sa kalsada, hindi mo nakikita yung mga challenges on the road. Conversely, pag nagte-train ka, you take your bike out into the street. You go for the distance, you look for the routes. Kasi doon mo naman kailangan yun eh. Taking your bike out on the street is going out into the real world. And that's what shooting should be all about. You have a focused set of goals. So sabihin natin, for this range session, ito yung tatapusin ko. Ito yung ite-train ko sa sarili ko. I will train on the draw. I will train on acquiring my sight picture. I will train on moving from target to target. I will practice my reloads, etc. etc. Importante, every time you go to the range, you have a goal. Meron kang na-achieve. You learn something. That's the most important thing. Hindi yung umubos ka lang ng pagkadami-dami bala, pero at the end of the day, wala ka rin naman natutunan. That's what I see mostly. And that's what I believe separates the legitimate shooter from that of a gun owner. Malaki yung pagkakaiba nun. Hindi natin pwedeng sabihin na just because you own a gun, shooter ka na. No. I'm sorry. Hindi po siya ganun. A shooter is someone who strives to be proficient with the gun. Hindi mo goal yung bumutas ka lang ng napakagandang pattern sa papel. It's not that. Being a shooter it takes a lot of practice, yes. But if you train properly, hindi mo kailangan umubos ng maraming bala. Yun ang totoo. For every session, siguro sa 100 rounds, pagod ka na nun. If you're training properly. Pero kung tingin mo ay putok-putok lang ang gusto mo, makaubos ka man ng 1,000 round, bitin ka pa rin. Yun lang yun. That's the simplest way of explaining what the difference is between a gun owner and a real shooter. The real difference between merely practicing and training. Magkaibang mundo yon. Let's not confuse the two. Or let's not assume na just because you practice, magiging proficient ka na. Kailangan nyo mag-train. And that's been the long and the short of it. This has been Absabando for Manila Sentinel. Raw, get trained now.
And action!